started. Okay, hold on. Okay. Ooh.
Fantastic. Now, let's sing it really loud.
Okay guys, this is getting really messy. Okay guys, we're going to pour that thing in and we're going to mix it around with my hand, okay? Wait, Mommy, am I going to pour the whole thing?
Yes, baby.
Okay. Wait, I think I know what this stuff does. Guys, we're just going to mix it. Bro, it just feels so slimy.
What you do and be careful what you say. And they tell me, don't give your I wanna feel the beat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody.
We already did the metallic one. That was just the metallic one. This one is the glow in the dark. Alright, let's get started. And that would be all. Okay, guys, I'm doing it.
There you go. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Liza on Demand, Season 2, now streaming. What? Catch new episodes every week, only on YouTube.
Ooh, guys, this is good. This is good stuff. I'm doing it, guys. Whoa, it's already getting slimy. Alright guys, I'm trying to get it out. Ooh, so you guys soon. Confetti. Okay guys, we have this pink slime. Now we're going to do this confetti thing. I don't know what it's called though. Turning cool. The confetti, guys, a little bit of confetti is sticking to the bowl a little bit. What? Is that McDonald's? It's on my TV. Okay, well, the slime is getting so cool. If I'm doing this. Make sure you follow my track if you're doing slime too. So, if you got slime, make sure you follow my lead and do it with me. We are going to see if the other ones are not with us. Okay, but not this one, because this one's pink. This is my favorite one. He's going to teach us. I did do a pumpkin without you guys, but it wasn't the real one. It was the fake one. Okay, well, guys, I can't wait until this thing is good. I hope this time is going to be good. We're going to end it here. We'll check back in. We're going to wait until it gets nighttime, until it gets dark so you can see the glow in the dark sign. Yeah. The slime's in here. We're going to check if it's glow in the dark. I'm so excited. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna open it. I think it's gonna work. It worked, guys. Ooh. I'm gonna put it beside my hand. Now, guys, the more you play with slime, the more it will get stretchy and it will turn to slime. So make sure you follow my lead, and if you need to catch up with me, make sure you still watching my video, because you guys can still watch me play with my slime, because when I play with my slime, I'm gonna do awesome stuff. I can't believe I'm playing with this. It's glow in the dark. Oh, guys, it's glow in the dark. I can't believe it. Now I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. You guys can watch. I almost fell. Okay, guys, this thing is so much fun. I can't believe it's glow in the dark. I never had glow in the dark slime before. This is my first time having glow in the dark slime. I like it. I love it. So I think I'm gonna take care of this slime because my other purple one just, ruined. Like, I didn't do nothing to it. It fell on and then came back up like. Now we're gonna put it beside. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're gonna end it here, and make sure you tune in because we're gonna do something fun next week. That's gonna be so different. Bye.